Hello, we're here today at SL Equipment to look at this 48-volt lithium powered Spark golf cart. Now this unit is a 6-seater. Off to the front, see your utility basket, front bumper guard, custom aluminum wheels, rubber shocks, electric brakes, has a lift kit for additional ground clearance of 8 inches. Custom stitch seats. Has a 5,000 watt electric motor on the unit. On the seats we do have our seat belts. On the steering wheel we'll see the carbon fiber on there. We turn our key. We have a 10-inch tablet style control unit in the front. It'll show us our battery charge, our speed. Of course, the unit has forward, reverse, it's got a neutral, hazard lights, front lights. I'll have a USB for media, as well as charging your device. In the front, for the driver and the passenger, there's cup holders. I have our parking brake, our brake, gas pedal. With this being a limousine unit, it's got 6 seats. We'll have our charging port, charging indicator light between charging and fully charged. Give us access to the battery and the charger. Is underneath the middle seat. So if you're charged there, compartment for the battery here. Got our seat buckles. Seat buckles for the back. It's got a nice little handrail that you can hold on to. Look at the back seat too. Also comes down as a utility area. So if there's anything that you want to carry around, you can fold that down and use that area. Of course, the unit has a sunroof on it. Super simple for the utility bed. Put it back in the down position. Here's our buckles for the back. There are also handrails. The wheels on this are 14-inch. The unit has LED headlight, tail light, and signal lights. Tire size on these are 23.5. If you have any additional questions on this 48-volt lithium powered Spark golf cart, feel free to give us a call at SLE. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.